Jesus, 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 Jesus.
Spanish Town-based gang leader Rudolph, more popularly known as BOXER, was fatally shot during a police operation in St. Andrew this afternoon. Shaw was killed just days after he mysteriously escaped from the Kingston Central Police lockup.
Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great. One more great countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe. And hit the notification button. Yo, me say me never there go do no video upon that brother here. Rudolph BOXER Shaw, where them slap where the police them slap where in our guest house on Mullines Road. Number one, we want to know what kind of guest house that you in on Mullines Road. You leave GP and GP are straight down Walton Park Road to Spanish Town Road. Into Central Lockup, not GP. You understand? And you leave Central Lockup. And where you go? Mullines Road and Walton Park Road. In the heart of the lion, it's like you jump out a frying pot and jump in at the fire, my youth. Broke badness, stupid badness, and badness no pay because the police then use the youth here. And then is an example. Can me have the video, you know, of how them do me now. I mean, I know if YouTube are gonna make me play it, but I'm gonna try to put it out there. But when you can check out the graphic video on the WhatsApp link, just click the WhatsApp link. But me I go put up the video, me I go blur it out, and hopefully YouTube will make it slide. But crime no pay, badness no pay, especially at Jamaica. Can them nah make no money. That boy I want walking dead, you know, because him kill the policeman mother, him kill 2 people, then him kill the policeman mother, him blow a blood clean Cayman, then a Cayman I go on with pay things, police chase them, shoot out, whatever, get catch, get deported, they are central lockup. And him come up with this genius idea of breaking out of prison instead of him just plead guilty and call it a day and say, yo, I plead guilty, shake it off. Now him run down road, him and him little chicken head, little skettle. We don't know what wrong with them girl star at Jamaica. And him and him brethren, 2 of them broke in a guest house on the hottest block in a Kingston to blood clean, Mullines Road. What kind of guest house could I do on Mullines Road? That me would I want to be in it. Right the same day, and the people them I deal with inform upon him and send the police right upon him blow wow. You understand? Send the police right upon him. Yo, more of them youth you know say crime no pay, badness no pay. Yo, watch how the police them deal with it. Look on the video.
Jesus, 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 Jesus. Him dead and no man. Bumbleclot.
Now, them say he was the leader of the wildlife gang. Yo, when me hear some of them gang names, I mean, I have to laugh to blow up. The wildlife gang of St. Catherine, this, that, Spanish Town. Yo, only is walking dead. You don't see how the police just angling. Like a piece of carcass, dog. And it's sad, you know, when you have to see the youths, them. Have to go down like this. It really traumatic still, me not lie. Cause I kind of blur the picture, but like me said, I put the graphic thing in the WhatsApp group. And yeah, it really sad. So, that's the story of Mr. Boxer. Mr. Shaw, the wildlife gang leader, who broke and ain't got no money. You know what I call them? Crash test dummies.
This is the kind of activity that the police need to be commended on. It took high quality intelligence, good police work to identify this kind of criminals that we have out here. And this is something that will hurt them, and which is the objective. To stop a gang of that sort, organized gangsterism that's out there, the police have to deal with.
Youth, put down the gun, especially in Jamaica. Anyone of there, but Jamaica, me I tell you, the government now play with you, Andrew Holiness now play with you. Them are sending the man them, the police them come killing off. Even though the government will provide a lot more things like free education, universal health care, but them now do that. But youth are youth. When me see that video there, with how them treat the youth there, remember me tell you, badness no pay. A Jamaica, it no pay nowhere, especially in a Jamaica. Youth and youth, put down the gun. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe. And click on another video. But this one is terrible. Me nah lie, it shocked me. How the police them deal with him. I'm out.